So we have a special guest here today. You look great! Oh my gosh!
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing amazing.
Wow. So tell us, how'd you find us?
By Google.
Okay. And so Google reviews, felt...
The reviews were great.
Good.
I was initially Googling implants.
Yes.
And your reviews were amazing.
Awesome.
And whenever you reassured me that we could go another route.
Yeah.
And that's how I felt to stay here, was your love and compassion, knowing that I didn't necessarily have to go the route that I was looking.
Right.
But we could go another one as well.
Exactly. And save teeth, give the patient a smile that they love to show off.
And a healthy one.
Yes, exactly. So what was it like before coming in as far as your confidence, meeting people? What was that? Do you remember that person?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Very much so.
Yeah.
Because I was very self-conscious.
Yeah.
I like to hide my teeth whenever I'm talking, or
Right.
sensitive to the things that I ate.
Yeah.
I remember it very well, because I was that person for so many years.
Wow. And now?
The person that I am now, it's so weird.
Yeah.
My whole family is letting me know how much I smile and how amazing it is to see me smile.
Yeah.
And
that's got to be great.
it is. It's
Awesome.
very amazing.
Yeah. So someone out there who's not sure what to do, what's like one or two things that you could tell them to reassure them where to go?
Dr.Bruce Smoler is the #1 place to go.
Yeah.
But I know what it's like to be self-conscious and make that first big leap to make your first appointment. Your first step is your consultation. That's all you have to do, is make a consultation. And they will reassure you what your next step could be.
Wow. That's awesome. Well, I'm going to let Suzanne finish up.
All right.
It's great. And you look amazing. That's awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.